Hello everybody, hopefully by now you have seen the unboxing video of our VIBROFIT. I'll now demonstrate for you guys how to properly put it all together. You're going to have here the foot pedal, handpiece cable, power cable, your unit, hand pieces, cannula, and adaptation and wrenches for the handpiece and cannulas. We're going to start off here by connecting the foot pedal here to the front of these. To the right, you see the foot pedal logo here. And then on this side, we're going to connect the handpiece cable. So this cable has a red dot here. This is always going to help you identify which part of the handpiece cable has to be up. So you connect the red dot to the red piece here on the system. Perfect. Here now, you'll be able to go through the back of the system and connect the power cable. By flipping the switch up, you are able to turn it on. You'll be able to see that here now in the front. Now, we are going to continue. We're preparing the handpiece for a procedure. You always want to start off by putting the adapter and the cannula onto the handpiece first before adapting anything else. Here, you're able to put the adapter in, screw on, just to make sure it's secured on there a little. And here, you put the adapter on first, then you can slide through this opening, your centralizer. The centralizer will assure the adapter is, put correctly. You will use the adapter wrench to secure it onto the handpiece. Don't be scared. Now that the adapter and the handpiece are prepared, you're able to choose from your cannulas. Let's get rid of the cannula. You will grab the cannula wrench. Sure it's on. Now you'll be able to remove the centralizer. And in the back of the handpiece, you will see this adaptation for the cable. Make sure that the red dot is facing up. Here we go. Now you have your handpiece put together, prepared. Only thing you're missing will be the suction tubing, which will slide right through this opening into the tunnel onto the Christmas tree adapter here. Okay. Sure it's on properly, secured. Yep. Now you have your whole unit, handpiece, cannula, everything ready for liposuction. Here with the foot pedal, you'll be able to press, and now it is activated. Here in the front of the unit, you'll be able to see that this wheel here, you can turn counterclockwise to reduce the power. You can turn clockwise to enhance it. Now, the purpose of these vibration and pulsation is to increase and intensify the efficiency and that back and forward movement that is required in these liposuction procedures. Here, you'll be able to step on the foot pedal again, and it will just stop.